Hey guys, it's Taylor here. I'm so excited about this video. It's super meaningful because we're collaborating with an amazing social movement called Love is Louder. And this is really the perfect timing because we're nearing Valentine's Day. And Valentine's Day for me isn't just about, loving your significant other, but it's also about self-love. So Love is Louder is a social movement that was founded by Brittany Snow, and here's a little quote of what it is. Love is Louder was started by actress Brittany Snow, the Jet Foundation, and MTV to build on the outpouring of support online after the lives of multiple teenagers were lost to suicide in September 2010. This movement strives to amplify the momentum of other inspiring online campaigns and invite anyone who has felt mistreated, misunderstood, or isolated into the conversation. We are here to raise the volume around a critical message: that love and support is more powerful than the external or internal voices that bring us down, cause pain, and make us feel hopeless. This cause is really meaningful to me, and I explain a little bit in the box that I curated. There's a little quote inside, but just to give you a quick recap, since the age of 16, I've struggled with my mental health, and I've always thought of it as a weakness rather than looking at it as, not something that defines me, but rather than something that makes me stronger because of everything I had to endure in order to overcome all these struggles. And, for the longest time I would keep it in, but once I started to become more open and talk to professionals and talk to my family and talk to my friends about these issues, I became a lot lighter. And I really wanted to talk about this message because I wanted to end the stigma that regardless of what you see on social media and, everyone has a story, and someone may be struggling with something similar. So without further ado, I created a Nudestix box called the Sunset Box, and it comes in this really beautiful matte finished Nudestix box, and inside you'll see a photo of myself and a quote that I wrote for this box. I can quickly read it. So, since the age of 16, I've struggled with my mental health. My journey has taught me the power of self-love, self-acceptance, and being open to help from professionals and those who love me for me. Through the love of my friends, family, and most importantly, self, I've been able to get through every day. My health does not define me, and I've been able to find my inner strength, happiness, and success. With every sunset, there is a sunrise. So $5 from this sunset box is being donated towards Love is Louder, which is so meaningful. So I essentially curated this box with my absolute favorite Nudestix products that really, regardless of the day, regardless of if I'm going for lunch with friends, if I'm going to a meeting, if I'm going to work, if I have an event, all of these products can take me from like 0 to 100 really quickly, and I just feel like a better version, more confident version of myself just with a little, touch of these products. So inside you'll also receive a Get the Look little postcard over here that explains how to create the sunset box look. And then you also receive a really cute Nudestix pouch that looks like this. And I've included a tin with 2 eyes, so our magnetic matte and luminous eye colors in Fig and Copper Foil, as well as my custom created gel color lip and cheek balm in the shade Tay Tay. And then I've also selected my 2 faves from our new launches, which is the Sunset Strip Nudies Matte Blush and our Magnetic Nude Glimmer in 24 Karat Goddess. And I used all of these products to create this look on my face right now. So keep watching to see how I created this look using our Sunset box. So I already prepped my base. I applied some moisturizer, I did my brows, and I used our Tinted Blur Stick in the shade Light 3 and Deep 8 to even my complexion and to contour. So next I'm going in with Sunset Strip, which is available in our Sunset box. This is our new Nudies Matte Blush shade. It's the most beautiful pop of coral, and I'm going to use this all over my face. So I'm going to start by applying it directly onto the cheeks, and then using your fingers or using a brush, you just want to lightly tap it in. I love this color because it's so suitable for all skin tones, whether you're light, you're medium, or you're deep. It just adds the perfect amount of brightness to the skin that really anyone can wear it. Also, fun fact, this shade in Sunset Strip is pretty much the exact same color as Living Coral, which is the Pantone color of the year for 2019. And I love to build this, so if you do want more of a sheer wash of color, then one layer is perfect. But if you do want, to add a little bit more pigment, then just build it. It's a very buildable color. Another tip is that you can take your brush and swipe it along the stick and just pop it onto the cheeks. I do love to take a little bit of my blush and kind of swipe it in the temples and a little bit on the forehead. And for a really beautiful sun-kissed look, I love to take a little bit with my finger and kind of just swipe it on the bridge of the nose. I'm also going to take a little bit and just apply it in the crease. I love a good monochromatic look. And then on my lips. It's such a perfect coral stain. Let's say you get a little bit blush happy. I love to take our Tinted blur stick and I kind of just swipe it right underneath. And this will kind of just clean up the area. Even though I always end up adding a little bit more after that because I love blush. So next I'm going in with our Magnetic Matte Eye Color in the shade Fig, which is a really beautiful plummy brown nude. And I'm just applying it on the upper lash line. And again, you can go in with a brush or you can use your fingers. I'm just going to add a really light layer to add just the slightest amount of definition. Next I'm going in with our Magnetic Luminous Eye Color in the shade Copper Foil, and I'm going to use this right in the center of my lid, just to add a touch of luminosity. One of my favorite products is our Magnetic Nude Glimmer. This is the shade 24 Karat Goddess, which is a beautiful banana yellow gold. What's so unique about this gel liquid luminizer is that firstly, it's all day wear. So once it sets, it does not budge. And I love how it melts into the skin to become skin. It's super lightweight. It just gives you the most beautiful natural glow to the skin, but you still see pigment. So it's more than a glow and less than a glitter. It's so beautiful. The doe foot applicator is really easy to use. It's flat and flexible, so you can seamlessly apply on all high points of the face. So I'm just gonna use this right in corners. If you do want a little bit more of an intense look, then just apply a few more layers to create a foiled effect. By the way, this is also the perfect Valentine's Day glowy and bronze makeup look. I'm going to apply the finest layer right in the center. So the last product in the Sunset box is our Gel Color Lip and Cheek Balm in the shade Tay Tay, which is a shade that I custom created. And I picked this shade because it is the Taylor box. And also it's a really nice glossy lip color that really suits everyone, and it's a great ombre lip color as well if you just want to apply it right in the center. And then I'm going to take a little bit of Sunset Strip and just kind of dab it right on top. And last but not least, a little bit of Nudestix Mascara. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope you guys get your hands on this box. It's a super meaningful cause. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.